Plug the power cord into the back of the printer. Remove the storage plug from the network input port. Push the network cable into the network connector until you hear an audible click. Power on the printer by pressing the power button located on the front of the machine. Now allow the machine to run its startup sequence. The startup begins with the welcome screen. The startup may take up to 10 minutes to complete, so please be patient. Scroll to and press the language you will be using. In our example, we are using English. Select Next. Notice that while we are setting up the printer, the machine will continue adding toner. Do not be concerned, this is normal. We will now see the message, "Is this device managed by administrator?" The options are no, home or small office, or yes, medium or large offices. Choosing yes for medium and large offices means you must enter an ID and password when setting certain printer functions. The no, home or small office selection does not use the ID password function. If you are in a home office or the only user of this printer, we recommend the no home option. Select the no home or small office option. The screen will automatically change to a machine setup procedure. The options are date/time with welcome, set time zone, date, and time, and it will offer you the option of skipping this procedure to a later time. In this example, we are going to go through the options. Press the blue Go to Settings button. The screen will show the time zones available. Scroll up or down to find the time zone where your machine will be located. In this example, we will find and select Central Time, US and Canada. The next screen will ask, do we want summertime on or off? We will select on. This will set the machine to areas that use daylight savings time. The display will not allow us to see the year, month, and day. Assure that it is correct and press on the next button. We will be skipping the email option, so select skip. For now, we will also be moving past the home screen setup, so press skip. For the alert setup, we will select Go to Settings. Assure that on is highlighted and select Next. We will take a peek at Prevent Missending, so select Go to Settings. Leave the settings as they are and select Next. Now it is time to set up our wired network. Select Go to Settings, press on Wired Network. The display will be giving us an option of using DHCP. Assure that on is highlighted and select Next. The MA4000WIFX is now set up on the wired network. Select the blue Finish button. The display will now show completed and ask if we want to print a status page. Go ahead and select Print. Once the printer has completed the toner procedure, it will then automatically print a status page. The display will now state Accepted and return to the home page. The machine is still performing the startup sequence of adding toner for the first time and will print that status page upon completion of this procedure. You have now completed the initial process for setting up the printer on a wired network. For now, add paper to the cassette so that when the printer is ready, it can automatically print that status page. For more detailed information on adding paper to the cassette, please watch the MA4000WIFX Add Paper to Cassette video and learn how to add specific paper types. The machine is now ready to print.